Hi everybody, welcome to lesson number 1, History of Ship Chartering. How the ship chartering started. This is what happened at the early stage. At the early stage, there is a merchant, the ship, and the cargo. So, in the early stage, the merchant owned the ship as well as its cargo and set sail. What happened if the ship and the cargo sank under the bad stormy weather? The unfortunate merchant lost his ship as well as his cargo. So will be the second stage. So at this stage, the cargo owner or the merchant and the ship owner were as two separate individuals, but they have a joint venture, sharing risk and profit of the voyages. What happened if the ship and the cargo sank under the bad stormy weather? The miserable ship owner lost his ships and the merchant lost his cargo too. So both lost their livelihood, but the introduction of marine insurance in the early 19th century enabled ship owners have their own compensation to counterclaim from cargo owners, which now enter the present stage. So at the present stage, this is how the ship owners dealing with the charterers. The cargo owner and the ship owners cease to have a joint venture. The merchant hand over the cargo to the ship owner for the loss or damage to the cargo while he is in custody. Hence, the charter party being introduced between the ship owners and cargo owners. The word chartering comes from a Spanish word carta partita, which means tear into two papers. It was just a long paper that divided to two parts. The left part of the content and detail must be the same with the right side. Then, once ready and accepted, both parties will seal and sign. Eventually, a charter party was created and both must honor the agreement. After the content being detailed be the same on both sides, the cargo owner and the ship owner will sign the both paper, and the paper will cut into two pieces. Piece will go to the ship owner, another piece will go to the cargo owner. Basically, there are three main charter party. First one will be the voyage charter party, second the time charter party, and the third one is demise or bareboat charter party. What is a voyage charter party? In a voyage charter party, the charterer assumes no responsibility for the operation of the vessel, but generally pays stevedoring expenses in and out. A statement to that effect will be included in the charter party. What is time chartering? A time charterer is the hiring of a vessel for a specific period of time. The owner still manages the vessel, but the charterer selects the ports and directs the vessel where to go. The charterer pays for all fuels the vessel consumes, port charges, commission, and are daily hired to the owners of the vessel. What is demise or bareboat chartering? By this type of charter, the ship owner leases his entire vessel and the charterers have the responsibility of operating as though it was his own vessel. The charterer pays all expenses, fuel, stores, provision, harbor dues, pilotage, etc., and pays the crew. For the next lesson, trainees will understand in detail about the various charter parties and important clauses that determining the peculiar characters on how the charter party works. See you in next topics about type of vessel and cargoes.